Hey, Rua de Fat Sand. This is a tiny little street right here, and we're gonna give you some contacts. Like a big giant crane over there. We'll show you about that as well.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Fat Sand, Rua de Bragança. There. This is Rua de Bragança. So this is kind of a busy street, some pretty tall, cool looking buildings down that way. Got the school right there, I think. Or, yeah, it looks like a small elementary school. And we have this. And we're gonna walk down this street right here in the rain. And check out that crane. It's a big monster boat. And that. Okay, so let's walk down on this rainy, today's Saturday morning, I believe. Yeah, Saturday morning. And kind of a rainy day here. It's kind of well, you can see the date. I always put the date in the lower corner. I'm just gonna walk all the way down to the end today. But yeah, I got a lot of rain today. I don't know if we can make this one interesting or not. The video is, this street is kind of short. Got that trash on a Saturday morning. All kinds of stuff. Even more, there's a whole bunch of them here. There's even a chair in there. Okay. Alright, so this street is, a lot of times I'll show you different stuff. There's apartment buildings to the left of me, and this street is kind of what it is. Wish I could make it more interesting. But yeah, it's kind of a rainy day, and I think that's all the parking garage right there. Inside, this is quite a short street too. I don't think I filmed in this area before. Because here's this Rua de Chiu Chao, which I would have remembered if I had. Go down just a little bit further. There's a hotel at the end here. Let's just maybe jump across just to make it more interesting for you guys, or try to make it more interesting. And at the end there's a train line right there. So straight ahead is a train line. Parking garages. Circle K. No, 7-Eleven. Pouches. And I believe this, let me see, I think the clubhouse, Jackie, so I think that's the horse racing. Straight ahead. Grandview Hotel right there. Oh, there's a Thai temple right there. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, that Thai temple's kind of interesting, I think. Somebody's actually praying at it. And yeah, that station right there is, that's a jockey club. Okay. So it kind of turns that way and goes towards the casinos. There's a walkway, Rua de Guimarães, and Grandview Hotel. So okay, let's just kind of go back. And we'll just capture the sign, and then we'll end this one. So there we go, Rua de Fat Sand. That's the name. That's the street right there. So.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha. que